Well, hello. Today is Monday, the 29th of July. We're almost in August. This is going to be a huge week. Why? Well, we got a lot of Fed data. Fed is meeting on Tuesday, and they're going to announce on Wednesday whether or not they're going to lower rates. If they do, it'll be the first rate cut in over a decade. Now, typically, when the Fed announces a rate cut, the S&P 500 rises an average of 16.5% over the next 12 months. Interest rates are already accounting 100% chance of Fed doing this. So if the Fed backs off, we may see bonds come off a little bit. Also, there's a wrinkle in the mix. We had quarterly GDP on Friday. I believe it was on Friday, maybe Thursday or Friday of last week. I don't know. This was last week, but the number was slightly better than expected, which means economy is heating up. So it takes a little bit of ammunition away from the Fed, okay? Because if economy is rising, there's really no reason to lower rates. But ECB, the European Central Bank, is going to cut rates, and the hopes are that the U.S. Fed will join. So that's number one. Jobless claims are coming out on Thursday. We're expecting 209,000. That's coming out Thursday. If the number is a little bit above that, again, we may see a little bit more volatility than expected, and non-farm payroll on Friday is expected to be at 171. If the number is lower than 171, it may cause slight issues. Now, big news. Apple's reporting on Tuesday tomorrow. AMD's reporting, I believe, on Wednesday. GE's reporting, and Exxon. So these are big cap stocks. These stocks have huge market cap. Apple is going to set the stage because it's going to get a little bit into what's happening with China, and we're going to see a first case or a scenario of how China's impacting sales firsthand. So I think Apple is going to set the tone for the week, and then the Fed, with whether they cut rates or say they may cut rates and slow down, I think that's going to be the big issue. So we have interest rates, we have earnings, we have jobless claims. It's going to be a busy week. The bias is higher because there's hope that China and U.S. will meet again, and the trade tension will resolve. The trade war will resolve. I'm not seeing any signs of that, and I think that's going to put the biggest damper on the Fed intended rate hike. So anticipate a slow market till Apple comes out tomorrow. Then we'll see some volatility, and then we'll probably have a lot more volatility Wednesday towards the end of the day due to the Fed rate decision for their FOMC meeting. All right, that's this week, and I'll give you a further update tomorrow. I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care. And if you guys are enjoying this, let me know. I'll talk soon.